Hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining today's live. It's so nice to have you here. Let's go quickly because we're not going to waste any time today. We'll get right to the setup for today. So let's quickly get there. Now, meanwhile, I want to actually lose this balance so that we can start. From an amount that actually makes sense. So the first thing we're going to do here is to click on this icon, like this menu down here. Now, the chart type is going to be candlesticks, and we enable this timer for the candle. We disable this auto scroll thing. Then we'll go to time frame. We're choosing M1 for today, and we need to find a way to lose this balance. And there are sometimes that I'm just clicking randomly actually. So hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Jerank Sa Adebayo Jeje. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that name well. You understand? I tried pronouncing it, but sometimes the comment section just appears for 2 seconds on my screen, so I'm not able to like see everything at once sometimes. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I'm trying to lose this balance right now, so we've not started yet. Hey, Mujid, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we have 4 of us in the live session right now. Please, guys, go ahead and like the video. I'll really appreciate if you can just like the video right now. Yes, I'm glad you're doing great, Adebayo. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, Mujid, yes, so it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate that. You understand? Anytime we like the video like that, YouTube recommends it to the rest of our friends. Okay, so please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for doing that. I'm trying to lose this balance, but it keeps increasing. But don't worry, let's just switch to. Okay, so we're talking about the setup. Now over here, the trade time we're using is M1, and we're using a flag mode. This is a regular mode. Look at it, and this is a flag mode. You understand? So we click the flag mode, we choose M1, we'll make sure this second hand is on 0. That's very important, and that's it basically. You understand? For the amount, we've not set the amount yet because I'm trying to lose this balance. I think we have this red green pattern. Oh, I should have gone with buyers instead, but no problem. I'm just clicking randomly for now, so let's get that balance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Adebayo. God bless you too. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I'm really, I really appreciate that because sometimes when I come live like that, I'm so tired. You understand? I just want to like just rest, but I know that we have a lot of people who really need this. So I'm doing my best to make sure that guys, please go ahead and like the video. I'll really appreciate if you can like the video. Now, if you are new here, thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys doing that. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you so much for doing that. It's really nice to have you here. If that was a winning trade, I would have almost screamed right now, like, what are we doing? You understand? Because I wanted to like lose that balance. So now let's load an amount that makes sense right now. Now it's not as if $1,000 doesn't make sense. You understand? But I always tell people that it's better to um use an amount that you can trade normally in the market. It makes so much sense. You understand? So thank you so much for the remark. I'm so grateful. I really appreciate that. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. Now, if you don't know how to like your video, just double tap your screen. That's all you need. You understand? Please double tap the screen and it's automatically like that. Let's look for a very nice trade. I'm looking at this market right now. We seem to be having this total breakout. You can see first touch high, second touch higher high. You understand? If price comes to this level, we'll have a very good trade with the buyers actually. Yes. So thank you so much. I really appreciate. So the next thing we're going to do is Next thing we're going to do is to wait for this price to come down here, and immediately price crosses that level and closes, we're going with the buyers. So guys, don't mind my voice, you understand? My voice may sound a little bit this was a beautiful touch. So this was a beautiful touch breakout. Come on now. This was so beautiful. Guys, see, we may have the same thing happen here too. But this was a beautiful one. Can you see? We have first touch high, second touch high. Price came to this high, then broke this level. This is a beautiful trade, guys. This is a beautiful trade. I could go for margin on this trade. So beautiful. Can you see? Total breakout. Amazing. So the same thing is happening here too. First touch high, second touch high. If price comes down and breaks this level, we're going with the buyers. You understand? Now, we are not oblivious to the fact that we have a momentum here. So, but what I want to do is I want to go to lower time frame and find the demand area. Okay, we have a demand area right after the I'm so sorry. I'm a little bit tired. But don't worry, we'll get through this session. We'll be fine. You understand? Sometimes I know that there's a lot of sacrifice that need to be made. We're breaking the level now, so let's go back. Okay, you can see we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. We're not going to take the trade right now. We're going to wait, okay, for price to come. You know what? Let's go with the buyers now. I have a feeling the buyers may disregard that gap up and go with the buyers. Now, if they don't disregard the gap up and they give us the red candle, then we're going to go with the buyers for the next candle after that. So let's see how that goes. I'm so sorry, guys. If you hear me yawning, I'm so sorry. But I just need. Okay, we'll go with the buyers now. I'll go double trade with the buyers. We have a fifth candle theory. You understand? If we can have a gap down, that'd be nice. Yes. Yes. Now we have a gap down. Let me restart this. Let me refresh the page. You know, there's one bug that the pocket option website has. Anytime you fiddle with the edge of the screen, it begins to misbehave. So all that we need to like sort this quickly. I'm actually expecting this push to the upside to happen. Now, if they push to the downside, I'll just leave this market right now because I don't expect this to happen here. I expect the buyers to come in, but if we lose this trade, because I have a lot of leverage on this trade, thinking that we will have a green candle already, but no problem. If it doesn't happen, it's fine. Okay, cool. It didn't happen, so no problem. Let's check the market for another thought touch. Can you imagine? This is beautiful. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of thought touch that has played out already. This is crazy. Guys, can you see this? This is a beautiful thought touch, man. Guys, is the comment section working? Guys, go ahead and like the video. I can't see any comment again. In a way, I can't see any comments. Please, if the comment section is not working, let me know on time. I can still like restart the internet right now and start the live all over again. You understand? We have not gone too far, right? Like that. We're just 10 minutes in, so it's good for me to find a way around it quickly. Yes. I can't see any comments, so I'll assume you guys can hear me, but I'm not. Okay, fine. We have it here now. Okay, we have the comment section is back. Thank you. All right, guys, please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate if you can just like the video, double tap your screen. You understand? It's very, very important that you do that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay. Okay, it's working. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, cool. Okay. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Okay. Let's check this quickly. Hey, Ofe Jiro, thank you so much for joining. 9414, thank you very much. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, but thank you. Over here. Okay. Okay. Now, you guys, you see, we have a breakout here, and there's going to be a decision point right before this breakout, somewhere here. We're going to mark the area, and immediately price touches that area, we're going with the sellers. Above this round number, this 1.29800, we're going with the sellers. You understand? So we'll just make it happen ASAP. All right. So I'll wait for this, and let's see that other one. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, FFG. It's nice to have you here. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate you if you like the video. Just double tap your screen. It will automatically like the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you. Yeah, guys, if you hear me yawning, don't mind me. It happens like that sometimes. Can we have a gap down? No. I was planning on going with buyers here. I expect the buyers to come in actually, but we don't see the confirmation, so we're not taking the trade. Well, no problem. No problem. And if price comes to this area, we can take a very good. Hey, Jome Abel, thank you so, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Now, if you're a beginner here and you are interested in trading binary options the right way, now just give me the next 2 minutes. You understand? Just hold on, hold up, wait a minute. You understand? Just stay there. You understand? Just wait a minute, like 2 minutes actually. You understand? And I'll give you all the details you need. You understand? To be a profitable trader in the market. So you understand? Everything is not just all about strategy. There's some little information, you understand, that you need to get also. So just hold on. You understand? I'm going to give you all the details. Dillion, thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. You get the gist. So let's hold on. Let's see. I'm waiting for the price to come into this place. I'm going to take a trade. Let me check lower time frame entry. I'm looking for the exact entry. Okay, I found it. I found the entry. It's right here. Yes. Here we go. That's good. All right. So immediately price comes up into this entry. We will take a trade with the sellers. So let me check the other one. Let me mark this. You know what? We should not sleep on this. Price may enter that entry anytime. So we cannot wait. We cannot sleep on it. We have to take the trade. So we just have to be on standby. Okay, I'm waiting for price to come in here. Then we'll go with the sellers. Everybody, Gemword is in the house. Let's welcome Gemword specially. Guys, everybody. Gemword is in the house. Thank you so much, Gemword, for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Oh, can you imagine? You just touched the tip of the entry and pulled back. He didn't even wait for us. That's crazy, man. I was expecting that it to at least get to this area, but no problem. You understand? Now we have a 3-bar up pattern, but we have this gap down. Now I wouldn't take the trade because of the gap down. That's the only problem I have with this trade right now. But no problem. No problem. Hey, Adedato, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great. Yeah, you're welcome, Gemworld. Thank you very much. Now, guys, one thing I want you guys to know is that Gemworld is the OG of this channel. You understand? She's been supporting this channel from day one, and she has never stopped. She has never skipped a beat for once. You understand? Yes, Adedato, thank you so much. You understand? So, if you want to be an OG like Gemworld, all you need to do, support the channel with everything you've got. You understand? All you need to do is to join the all you need to do is to make use of the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers. Yes, and also the latest one is actually our Barter-Pro YouTube membership. So very soon we're going to be doing something with the membership. If you are not a member now, I don't know what you're doing, because this is the best time to be a member. Back when we want to do something, then it's going to be more difficult. It's going to be more expensive. Let me put it that way. It's not difficult, but more expensive. But right now, you have the chance to be a member right now, so it's better for you to do it now. You understand? Oh, thank you so much. Is it three? Sorry, I couldn't. I think it's third something. I couldn't read your name properly. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Some people have some funny names though, but I was like, that name, I couldn't read it for like, I kept looking at it for like 2 seconds. Okay, third dose man. Oh, it's third Osman. Okay, I was wondering like what. Oh my God, it's nice to have you here. Thanks so much for joining. I was wondering too. Okay, okay, thank you. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. We have a supply area here. We have a supply area here. Oh, Stanley, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Stanley Ujuku, hope you're feeling good today. Thank you very much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Wisdom, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. Obadal shares 6871. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, Otis is safe. Trust me. I know what I'm doing. Otis is very, very safe, actually. You understand? I'm glad you're good. Stanley, thank you so much for joining. I like that. I really like it. So Otis is safe. Don't worry about it. Shike. Okay, Chike T Nwanko. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Nwanko, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. It's really nice to have you here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. I'm trying to see if I can take this trade. Yes, I'm glad you're doing good. Okay. I actually want to turn this market around here. But we have this momentum, though it's a weak momentum, but it's still a momentum anyways. And okay, we have a gap down in favor of the buyers, but I guess that one was not going to happen. Okay, let me check this. Okay. Okay. Oh, finally, is it going to come into our entry? Now we have a double bottom. I only go with the buyers, sellers if I have a gap up. No, guys, let's go with the buyers. I'm not going with the sellers here. Why? Because we have a double bottom, and double bottom is in favor of the buyers. Most of the time, it's in favor of the buyers. So I'm not going with the sellers. We have another supply area up here. You understand? So I'm not going to go with the sellers at all. You understand? Though I'm expecting the buyers to come in here. Now this was a supply area. You understand? I'm not gonna lie. It seems like a supply that should work, but when you have gap downs are in favor of the buyers. Combined with the fact that we have a double bottom here, is the reason why I will not go with the sellers over here, because I've seen a lot of trades like this, being overturned in the last 10 seconds. You understand? The buyers will just swoop in and they will just, push into the market, and that's it. So you can see what I'm talking about now. A fair value gap will be tested. Exactly. You understand? Yes. Oh, fair value gap will be tested at the bottom. Yes, you're correct. We have a fair value gap down here. Sometimes I don't pay a lot of attention to fair value gaps. Though you see, I would rather see this as a QM trade actually. Look at this. We have a QM. So I'd rather just see it as a QM instead of seeing it as a fair value gap. Yeah. Okay. Let me mark this quickly. Let me mark this. Okay. So now we have a fair value gap down. We have an order block down here. Fair value gap up here. You understand? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look into. Oh yes, this area. Oh, I should have remember. Okay, we still have an entry above this round number. You know what? Let me check into this area where there's a supply here, and this supply is more. You see, above that round number will be my entry. If price comes to that entry, yes, yes. I have an entry up here. I'm going to take the trade at the entry. Yes, there's an entry up here. If price comes there, there's going to be a reversal trade. So I can take that trade right there. Hey, Teams, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much. Okay, fine. I don't know why price has not come to this round number. This round number is a very strong area to take a trade. But that's where my short is. I was really hoping that price will come to that round number before they retrace. Nope. Yes, and sorry or say. I'm actually Nigerian, but I'm not sorry about that. I'm not sorry about being a Nigerian. You understand? No. Being in Nigeria is not something you should be sorry about. You understand? Nigerians don't make apologies like that. You probably would have known. I would like to connect to people from different countries and more. Okay. Oh, that's good. No problem. We're a whole community here. Actually, you can connect with anybody here. You understand? And trust me, people will treat you well here with so much respect. We treat ourselves with a lot of respect. You understand, guys? Please go ahead and like this video. You understand? I'm already advocating for you that you are a very supportive community. Oh yeah, now they should see your support in your like. Go ahead and click the like button. Like say any saying okay, no problem. Yeah, sure. I thought as much too. I knew you were not saying sorry like that. You understand? Oh, we couldn't get any trade here. Price did not come to my entry, so we're moving on. But we're gonna keep this as a. Let's check the market here. This is gonna be a nice one. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yes, no, over here actually we have a tele. Oh, you understand? Now let me quickly address all the beginners in the house because I remember telling you guys to wait a little while. Now, for all the beginners in the house, if you are here and you are interested in binary options trading, the first thing you need to do right now, yes, Ayodeji, thank you so much for joining. The first thing you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. Yes, yes, we have an active Telegram group. So you can just click the description and join the Telegram group. So the first thing we need to do, you guys need to do as a beginner, if you are interested in binary options trading, is to click the the subscribe button, because this is where you get all the authentic information. I'm telling you, you understand? It's very, very hard to come by nowadays. Authentic information. Now, the next thing we need to do right now, you need to click in the description below, description of this video right now. You are going to see a broker link. It's the same platform that we're using. So it's called a broker link. I've tagged the broker link. Click on the broker link. It will take you to the platform we're using currently. You can register for a free account with your email and do your verification, and that's it basically. You understand? You don't need to worry about anything. Everything is sorted for you. You understand? All you just need to do is register and verify. That's all. Now come back to this. Hey Emmanuel, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So the next thing you now need to do is to come to the playlist section of this video. There's one playlist I have for all the beginners. It's called Binary Options for Beginners. You understand? So click on that. Oh, you have an account already. That's good. That's good. You understand? If you have an account already, don't worry about it. Just use your normal account. So all you need to do is to come to the playlist section and click on. You understand? You can just click on the banner option for beginners and get right to it. Watch all the 16 videos there, guys. You need every bit of information there. Don't skip one, guys. Don't skip anything. The reason I'm saying don't skip anything is because when I'm beginning to explain one or two things in the market, I don't want it to be found wanting. No, I don't want it to be found wanting at all. I want you to understand. I'm going with sellers after this. If price breaks or above this round number, you understand? I want you to have sound information. So the foundation is very, very important. Watch all the 16 videos. You understand? Now, after that, for all the seasoned traders, and once you are done with that, this thing, the playlist, the next playlist you should click on is. Oh, I couldn't. I'm monitoring this trade. 1 minute, please. Let me see. Okay. Oh, that my entry was late. I was expecting a margin of safety, but now we can have a red candle coming. I will explain this trade later. Let me just quickly finish the announcement. So all you need to do, if you're a seasoned trader, is to click the playlist section and look for live trade sessions. These are where you have my own personal account trades. You understand? And I've explained all the strategies I'm using here right now. I've explained it in details inside that playlist. So watch that playlist. Sometimes you may need to watch it over and over again. Watch it, guys. You understand? It is very, very important that you watch it. You understand? Now, I haven't done all that. What you really, really need to do is to practice, practice, and practice, and practice. Practice as if there's no tomorrow. You understand? Until you've gotten to the point whereby you feel you can enter the market and trade. You understand? But until then, please don't stop practicing. You understand? I thought we are gonna have a red candle. I was expecting a red candle there. You understand? Hey, how are you, Chris? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. Let's look for another very beautiful trade. You understand? I was expecting a retracement for the morning star pattern, but that did not happen. So we'll continue. We'll just keep moving on. Yes, we'll just continue. No problem. All right. We have a level here. I'm looking at this market. It's a downtrend already. You can see. You understand? So I'm looking at this level. This is a significant level in the market actually. So, and we have a supply above this level too. It's a supply. All right, that's good. So I'm going to mark the supply now. I'm going to mark the supply. Now there's one more set of people I want to address in the market and in today's live. You understand? If I want to address those who really want to learn very fast. You understand? You really want to learn fast. You understand? The best thing you can do right now is to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, Barter-Pro mentorship is where I teach my students one-on-one. I take them through the process. I hold them by the hand, and I guide them through their process of this their trading journey. You understand? It's as simple as that. That's what I do, basically. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Sorry, I couldn't read your message. Can you resend it? How can I start trading? Okay, fine. Sorry, my boss. Do you have WhatsApp group? No, we don't have WhatsApp group. We have a Telegram channel group. So all you need to do is to click the Telegram channel. You understand, and you're in already. It's as simple as that. Now, for those who want to learn very fast and you want to start, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is a Telegram channel link. Click on it and send me a message on Telegram and say, I want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, it's not free. You understand? All the videos I've talked about up to this point is free. You understand? But right now, the mentorship is not free. But if you send me a message, I'm going to give you all the details you need. How much it's going to cost, what schedule is going to be like, you understand? Every week, you understand? Until we are done with the mentorship. So it's as simple as that, guys. You can just go ahead and click the Telegram channel link. Yes, Gakwaye. I'm sorry, I couldn't pronounce that name, but you know I'm talking about you. Thank you so much for joining. Now, if you want to get started, now let me ask you, do you have an account already? Like, do you have an account with this broker already? Let me know. Just say yes. I want to know before I say what I want to say. You understand? So just let me know if you have an account or not. If you don't have an account, all you need to do is to click the broker link in the description. Now, some of you are asking, where is the description? Okay, you don't have an account. Good. So somebody asking, where is the description? If you are using your phone, long press your phone. Wisdom Joshua, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Now, just if you are using your phone, long press your phone and it will bring up the description menu. You understand? That's where you see all the links. Now, if you click at the top right hand of your screen here, you see a menu there. Once you click that menu, it should bring up it should bring up the description menu. Then you'll be able to click all the links. So if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click on the link. You understand? The Telegram channel link. Just click on it. I can't send link right now. I can't send the link. But if you cannot find it, it's very easy to find. All you need to do, yes, if you send me a message, Wisdom, send me a message on Telegram and I'll give you all the details. You understand? I'm going to tell you everything you need, how much it's going to cost, what the schedule will be like. I'll give you all the details right there and then. You understand? I've been told not to talk about price here, so I'm sticking to the order has been given to me by my Oga at the top. You understand? Yeah, the three dots at the right hand corner. It's there's a menu. It's a menu. Just click on it, and it will bring the description. It will bring the description menu, or you can long press on your phone. You understand? And to bring the description. You understand? I could have demonstrated it right now, but it's not showing right here. Please send the Telegram channel link. Okay. Another way to get the Telegram channel link is to click any of my videos. You understand? Like any of my long form videos. Click on it. You will see the Telegram channel link either in the description or in the comment section. So just click any of my videos and you see the description there. It's inside the comment section. I intentionally put it in the comment section in case anybody says they cannot find it. So if you click any of my video, you'll find the Telegram channel link in the description. Yes, you'll find it in the description, also in the comment section. You understand? So it's as simple as that, guys. It's very simple. You understand? I just want you to be able to locate like any link. You know, instead of like, yes, yeah, that's the link. You can just click on it. The Telegram channel link, just click on it. You understand? Thank you so much. So you can click on the Telegram channel link. You understand? I really don't like to tell people the name of the channel because there's something like that happening in Telegram, that some people are impersonating other YouTube channels. So it's better for you to click the link and get straight to the original channel instead of just trying to find it and get into the wrong hands. So I would not be responsible for that if you don't follow this simple instruction. You understand? But I believe we are all very we can easily just follow instructions. You get the gist. So okay, let's find another opportunity in the market. This opportunity has not happened yet. What about this? Okay, this one has not happened yet. We'll keep checking. We'll keep checking. Actually, I've not really taken any trade like that today, but it's fine. Another thing is that I'm actually very tired, but I just want to make sure that, oh, this is a beautiful one. I just want to make sure that I show up for you guys. You understand? So if you are really appreciating that, give the video a like. You understand? Just like the video, and if you want to support the channel, go ahead and do that. Use the super chat, the super thanks. You understand? And the other super stickers. Yes. Okay. Okay. Cool. I feel like going with buyers immediately, but I'm not going to do that. I'll wait for. Oh, okay. Let's go with buyers now. We have this evening star pattern. I'm expecting a push to the upside. I'm expecting a push to the upside. So let's see how that goes. Let's look for another opportunity in the market because I wouldn't mind having multiple. Oh, that cool. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, that name is so long. I couldn't read it. But thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. I'm going with the buyers after this. I'm going with the buyers after this. I'm going with the buyers after this. This is a very beautiful trade. Sorry. Please resend that message. Let me quickly take this trade. Okay, let me read your message quickly. Oh, the message has gone. You understand? I actually wanted to read your message properly, but please let me resend the message. Now, the reason why we took this trade, number one, you see, we have this. Okay. Yes, it's 1 minute actually. Anek Darren, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Oh, I would have taken more trades under this round number. I'm expecting the buyers to come in here because you see this pattern, this evening star pattern. Okay, I'm going with the buyers. I'm expecting the buyers to come in. You understand? So that's why I just keep adding more entries with the buyers. It's going to be somehow if the buyers don't come in right now. Come on now, this evening star pattern, and we have exhaustion candle. We are breaking an overlapping level. We have all the reasons to go with the buyers here. I don't know why. This should have been a very beautiful trade with the buyers. This is a very beautiful trade. We have all the reasons to go with the buyers here. Okay, fine, no problem. We have all the reasons to go with the buyers, but no problem. If the market decides to push to the downside, no problem. Yes, today since morning till now, OTC is acting like weapon fashion against. You're very funny. No, funny enough, it's been good for the most part of today. I actually traded my account today, and it was very good for the most part. It's a downtrend, I know, but you see, we have a level here, and that level is a strong level one. Then number two, you understand, we have this market breaking all these levels. You understand? At least I expect a retracement for that evening star. No, you can't go against the trend, definitely. I know that for sure. But you see, the trend hasn't started. The trend will only start when after breaking this level. You see now that they made this ABC now to the downside. That's the trend starting. You understand? But unless they break this level, you understand? This is just a support area. You can see now it's becoming a resistance again. You understand? But I'm not going to take this trade. I'll just move on to another market. You get the gist. So normally, you don't trade against either a momentum or a trend. I know that, especially when you've gotten the market direction. Hey, Gideon, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So you were talking about having three touches. This first touch, second touch, third touch. You can see now. We already have more than three touches on this line. On this, you can see now. So, Adeniji, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Now look at this morning star pattern. Now we're expecting a red candle to happen here. You see, but I'm not going to take this trade because they broke this level. If price comes to this level, then we can have an opportunity. You understand? Jonas, thank you so much for joining. Okay, no problem. No problem. Maybe when next in the next session. Actually, I believe risk management is a personal thing. So I usually don't talk about it because I'm not a fan of that convention where people talk about or they try to tell people what to do. You understand? They try to tell them, okay, go with your 4% of your balance, this and that. Those are relative terms. When you talk about percentage, I use percentage personally, but the thing there is 4% for everybody is different. You get it, just 4% can mean $1 for another person, and if you decide to trade $1, there's no motivation because yes, you may be winning, but at the end of the day, there's no motivation at all because you're probably just making 92 cents. You get the gist. Now, for someone who has 100, okay, let me talk briefly about it. You see, I have a formula, and the way I do it is that, for example, if I have 100 in my balance, yes. So the thing there is, if oh, okay, this is why I wanted to take the trade. I'm expecting a pullback from here, but if it doesn't happen, it's going to be somehow because I'm expecting a pullback here. So we have seller's entry here. You understand? So that's why I was waiting for price to come up into this area. Or maybe I should have waited for this round number. But I'm expecting a pullback. Let's see if, how far the pullback goes. Because this is the seller's entry actually. So the sellers should come in. You understand? Let's see how that goes. All right, that's good. So it's exactly what I was expecting actually. You can see we have seller's entry, then seller's entry, you can see. Then back here again, we expect the seller's entry. Now, if not for this gap down, I would have gone with the sellers again, but I won't be able to do that right now. Okay. Yeah, to be sincere, like how much do you think is average okay to start real time? Now, I usually don't advise people to start immediately. What I advise them to lay, or what I lay emphasis on, is to understand the strategy first. See, it's very easy if you understand the concepts and you understand the strategy before you start entering the market for real. You understand? Now, if you don't understand the concepts and you don't understand the strategies and you enter the market, I can tell you, have 1 billion, you still will not make anything out of the market. Oh my God, see that gap down. You understand? And this is what I always say. It's not about how much you have. See, one of us here started trading with $20. You understand? He was watching, you see that playlist I told you to watch. He watched out of, I think, maybe over 100 videos inside that playlist. He watched 40. And by the time he watched 40 videos, he said, fine, he's ready to take on the market. He did that challenge. He started with 20. You understand? The last time I heard, it was already over 30,000 from 20. You understand? So it's not about how much you have. You understand? The most important thing is for, see, I lay emphasis, you won't really see me talking about money as much. You understand? But I lay emphasis on strategies, understand, excuse me, understanding the concept is very important, because you see, those are your tools. It's like when you want to build a house and you don't have your equipment, and you think, okay, if you sink a whole lot of money into buying good materials, the house will stand. No, it will stand. You understand? What you need is to understand the skills. That's why I lay emphasis on practice, learning. You understand? These are my watchword. Why? Because I know once you get that one under your belt, forget, and you can enter with $100, and you, before you know it, you're already up there with the big boys at 10,000, 20,000. I'm telling you, it's not a joking matter. You get it? It's not a joking matter. I'm telling you, but you really, really. So it's not about the amount. You get it? Just you can start with 100. You can start with 50. It doesn't matter. You understand? What matters is that you understand the strategies first. You get it? Just so, yeah, I know this might not be the answer you are looking for, but trust me, a lot of people that have given sound answers, they are really thanking me to today. Yeah, a lot of them, oh, not just one, not just twice. Now, guys, please go ahead and like this video if you are gaining value from this. You understand? Go and like the video. You understand? I'm not laying emphasis too much of emphasis on money, but I'm laying a lot of emphasis on understanding strategies, understanding the candlestick psychology is very important, guys. It's very, very important. More than anything. Yes, look at this. We have a QM here. Let's mark the QM and see if we can take the trade. You understand? This is the QM zone. We'll check M3 to see if we don't see an engulf in M3. We'll check M5. You can see we have the engulf here. What do we do next? We go down to lower time frame to go and look for that entry. I found the entry. Immediately price comes there, I'm taking the trade. Now, you see, one thing I always tell people is that you can take your trade, it doesn't matter. The most important thing, you understand, is that you take that trade. Yes, Adeniji, I'm glad you got the point. You get the gist. See, you can start as low as $10 and you get to 100 within a very short period of time if you know what you are doing. Because that one is the cocoa. Knowing what you are doing is the cocoa. You understand? But once you get that under your belt, you'll be balling, you'll be fine, you'll be all right. You understand? You enter the market with your full chest. You understand? You won't need to worry yourself about any. You understand? You'll be bold. Udwak, it's nice to have you here. Udako, thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Benjamin, thank you so much. It's nice to, guys, we have our new friends here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you guys are feeling great today. I should have marked this entry. Oops, no. Let me mark the entry quickly before price gets there. Oops, I didn't mark it. Okay, let's mark it this time around. I know price is coming there, so Now you can see now we have this um momentum coming down into this entry. You understand? I'm still going to take the trade anyways, but I'm not going to come on now. Yes, now you can see now they are really pushing because they want to break the level and just leave every other thing in the dust. It happens like that sometimes, and that's why I did not take as much risk as I would love to, because I've seen this kind of movement in the market before. But I'm going to take this trade. Oh, I should have taken it under the round number. I'm expecting this pullback. That pullback should have. Oh no, come on. That was too close, man. You know what? Let's go again. I'm still expecting the buyers to come in, but we're going with the last amount now. Though we have a slight gap up in favor of the sellers, but because they've broken this doji, this QM, I'm expecting the buyers that did not respond here to respond down here. And this is an exhaustion candle actually coming into this basic market structure. You understand? So I'm expecting buyers here because this buyers area, and we have a round number also. So let's see what will happen. Now the trade we took here was a very good trade, and this trade also was a common point of rejection trade. It was a very good trade. You understand? It didn't. The probability was not just in our favor, so we're not going to sweat that. Julio Vero, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Oh, Subteria, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. My brother from South Africa, thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. Okay, let's look for another trade right now. If I see a reversal sign here, I'm going to go with buyers again. But meanwhile, let's check other parts of the market. Oh wow, my time is almost up. Yeah, guys, please, you will really not mind me this past few days. You understand? The most important thing for us is for us to actually learn a thing or two. So I hope you guys are learning one or two things. Though I still have a few minutes, but I'm just letting you know ahead. You understand that my time is almost up, but it's not a problem though. Oh, we should go with the sellers here. Gap up. We're going with the sellers. If it goes up again, I'm taking one more. Above that round number, I'm taking one more. If it goes, okay, cool. I'm expecting the sellers to come in, and I'll tell you why. You see, we have this engulf. Engulfs can retrace, and we've been seeing engulfs retrace actually. You understand? We had this red green pattern before, and now we are still within that range, so we can have another red green pattern again. You understand? That's another reason. But the most important reason why I took the trade is because the price closed on a round number. This is 1.30400. You understand? That's why I'm taking the trade, and that's my reason actually. Basically, my basic reason. You get the gist. So we'll check the market. This is an uptrend, but I'm not going to take a trade here. ADHT. What kind of name is this? Oh my God. You guys can make somebody laugh. Now what to you? Wait. Oh my God. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate that. Your name is so funny. I just had to laugh. Thank you for the laugh. Oh, we can go with the sellers here. Oh, I should have taken the trade above the round number. Info, thank you so much for joining. Hi, my bro. Yes. Okay, you don't understand English too much. Oh, okay. What do you understand actually, Jonas? Look, I don't understand what you mean by that. Lovely racer. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Tiger Gamer Gaming. Thank you so much, Info. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yeah, the reason why I took this trade is because of the morning star pattern. Actually, oh, you understand French? Hey, yeah. Uh, uh, I know little of French, like comment apetu. You understand? Mon ami. I know all those ones, small things like that. Awal, thank you so much for joining. Lovely Risa. Oh, your name is Azan. It's nice to have you here, Azan. Thank you very much. Oh, I missed one of the names down there. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Now, let me quickly do this. If you're a beginner here and you don't have an account, oh, it's an Ivory Coast. Oh, okay, that's good. Yes, Anek Darren, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes. Yeah, Mohammed, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Yes. I'll be your friend now, your mate. Please. Yes. Okay. Kelly Sunday. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Jonas. The thing there is for thought breakouts. If you take 10 thought breakouts the proper way, the right way, you should take it. You understand? You follow all the rules. You should win at least. If you take it 10 times, you should win at least 7 times. Yes, between 6 to 7 times, you should win very well. You understand? Because thought breakouts at one point was my bread and butter. Like okay, fine. You know what? There's a particular challenge. There's a playlist on this channel. It's called. I did a challenge from $5 to 50. You understand? 10x challenge. Oh, Mohammed, thank you so much. Sorry, I missed your message. Please resend the message. You understand? And guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You understand? Now we'll be today's live, we'll be coming back tomorrow again, but I don't know exactly when. So if you subscribe to the channel, oh, you started watching yesterday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. You understand? Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Guys, thank you for loving my trade. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. You understand? I try my best to explain all the trades. You understand? So oh, you want to enter with me? It's late now though, because right now I'm about leaving the session. You get it, but you know what? We're going to come back again tomorrow. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and enable your notification. Oh, thank you so much, Anek. Okay, you too. Yesterday, wow, that's very nice. That's very nice, guys. If you are just watching my videos, so let me tell you what to do while I'm not live. Go back to the channel. Wow, thank you so much for joining. Not yet, actually. Yes, I actually do make profits. You understand, but not in this session currently. You get the gist. Now, the thing there is. The name of the broker is called Pocket Option, and the link to this platform is in the description. Just click that description, and you will see it's called Broker Link. I've put the link there. Just click on the link. It will take you straight. Okay, thank you so much, Mohammed. So it will take you straight to the broker that we are currently using. You understand? You can register with your email, and they will give you a demo account. Just verify your account and everything. Then when you come back here, there's a particular playlist I want all the beginners to watch. You understand? Yes, Azan, I have a Telegram channel. It's in the description. Just click the Telegram channel link in the description. So now I have a playlist for all the beginners. It's in the playlist section of this video. Click on that playlist. It's called Binary Option for Beginners. Binary Option for Beginners. Click on that playlist. Yes, I am actually. It's because of work. You understand? Yes. So the thing there is, so binary option for beginners. Click on it and watch all see. That's where you get all the foundational knowledge you need. Okay. So after getting your account from the broker in the link, you understand. Now all you need to do is to watch binary option for beginners. It's a whole playlist. There are 16 videos there. All the foundational knowledge you need is in that playlist. Watch it. It's very important. Now, you see, after you are done watching that, the next one you should watch is called live trade sessions. That's why I talk about all the strategies, I talk about all the concepts. You understand? My own personal account that I used to trade is what I used to explain in those in that particular playlist. So go there, watch all the videos, guys. It's very, very important you watch it. Now, when you watch it, now practice with the demo account you have. You understand? Now, I know there are some of you who really want to learn very fast. You don't want to waste time watching a bunch of videos. Yes, I know that you are here. Now, all you need to do is to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. That is when where I teach my students one-on-one. You understand? I take them, I break all these strategies, I break everything down one after the other. You understand? I take my time to explain to them. I hold them by the hand and I take you step by step. So if that's what you want, you understand? Click the Telegram channel link in the description below. It will take you to Telegram channel and send me a message. You understand? So just the link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is the Telegram channel link. Now, when you send me a message, I will give you all the details. I will tell you how much it's going to cost. I'm telling you all the schedule, everything. But I need you to send me a message first. You understand? Yes. So go ahead and send me a message on Telegram. Click you in the description. You see that Telegram channel, the Telegram channel link. Just click on it. Now you see when you get to Telegram, you understand? The comment section is not open, but if you to send me a message directly, all you need to do is to click this tag called at Barter-Pro mentorship. Yes, it's blue like this. You can't miss it. It's always there. So just click at Barter-Pro mentorship. It will bring you to my chat room, my private chat room. Then we'll be able to discuss. So I'll discuss how your mentorship will go. You understand? I will discuss everything with you, everything we need to do. You understand, to make sure that your mentorship goes smoothly. Yes. So just you joined yesterday, but I didn't see where. Okay, now if you want to text me on Telegram, click on that. There's this thing, there's this tag called at Barter-Pro mentorship. It's a blue tag. You see it. It's in most of the messages inside. You see at Barter-Pro mentorship. Click on it. You understand? It's one very, you know what? I'll put another tag there after this class. You understand? Once we are done with this class now, you can go and wait for me in the Telegram channel. I'll put the tag there again. But the tag is currently there, but in case you don't see it, I'll put another one again, just so that you can see it. Okay? So don't worry. I'm going to be very let me see. I think my time is up already. Okay, my time is up already. You understand? So I'll be going to Telegram right now. If you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, send me a message. You understand? I'm going to drop the tag for you. You understand? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys. And go ahead and like this video. You understand? You can just go ahead and like this video right now. You understand? Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, Miss Cherry Coco. Yes, but we're coming back tomorrow. Yes, we're coming back tomorrow. Don't worry. Just enable your YouTube notifications so that anytime we are back live like that, YouTube will send you a notification. Okay, so don't worry, we'll be back. All right.